Hello there, explorers. Today we are gonna review to design this ancient looking cube with simple node setup. As you see, seems like metallic and handmade and colorful. We're gonna use geometry nodes and shading nodes, which you can reach out to editors from several points. One is the upper left corner of each section, the drop down menu, or the other one is the top menu bar. As you see, it says geometry nodes and shading. When you click that, you open that screen, related screen, the node editor screen. Yeah, just like that. As you see, you open up the geometry nodes. I actually never liked ongoing tutorial videos because it's hard to follow while talking and connecting the nodes to each other. It's hard to follow, that's why I don't prefer to do that. I prepared this video. First I did this cube and I zoom in the node editor pages so you can see easily, and you can pause and you can make the connection and you can understand how it works. Same thing also for the shading nodes. It's a little bit more complicated than this geometry node setup because there are a lot of textures and colors going on. As you see, this is our shading node setup. We use texture nodes, and I arrange them for a better looking. And one more texture node. Yeah, keep going. So whenever you like, you can pause and see clearly which node is connected to which node. As you see, principal PSDF as the default node. When you click on the use nodes, and I wanted to get some glassy, glass coated layer is on the surface of the cube. That's why I use that transparent BSDF and I mixed with the mix shader node. As you see, this is the total view of geometry nodes. Let me tell you something, just be careful with the subdivision surface node, because if your computer is not so powerful, so you increase the subdivision quantity harshly, your computer may freeze and crash. So just easy, you just increase the subdivision level. It's the best way. prevent crash, as you see. Also, we use some extrusion node, but first we split the edges to get those segments. If you increase extrusion level, you will see you can extrude that segments. Thanks for watching. See you later.